Hi, and welcome to CMA month. Our tip today has to do with accurate snapshots in time. Our market conditions are always changing, and so you need to make sure that your CMA is current. By the time you create it and your potential client makes a decision, the market could have changed. In order to keep track of accurate snapshots of that market, in Matrix, they've given you the opportunity to duplicate a CMA and modify that duplication. You would go to My Matrix, My CMAs, select the CMA you would like to duplicate, and at the bottom, click on Copy the selected CMA. I now have two CMAs. I can enter the copy and edit it. Now I'll have my original CMA as well as my updated CMA. And every time I need to update that snapshot, I can repeat the process. Hoping that this CMA tip has served you well. And as always, thank you for being a Miami member.